lods, good morning. Today is another day, another vlog. So today is supposed to be snowing, pero parang malabo ata. Kasi nung update is mag-start daw ng 10 o'clock, pero it's already 10:30. Wala namang snow. So parang lagi na lang kaming pinaprank ng weather, guys. So mga lods, I have chocolates that I got on Valentine's Day from my sweet husband. So yung gagawin ko ay ihalo ko ito sa coffee ko. Ano siya, Ferrero Rocher? I don't know kung paano ba ito i-pronounce. Gagawin natin itong flavor sa coffee natin. I-try ko ito mga loads kung pasado sa lasa. But I'm pretty sure masarap siya. It's cute. It smells good. Ay, dapat inano ko yan. Imamash. So, ayan na siya. Hindi kaya ng power ko na durugin. Kaya ginamitan ko ng spoon. I'm pretty sure na masarap talaga to. Mga lods, nag-i-start na, nag-i-snow. Kunti pa lang. Hindi ko alam kung gaano ba karami yung snow ngayon. Okay. Snowing. Tingnan natin kung gaano karami yung snow ngayon. My God, it's a lot. Oh my God, it's a lot of snow. You like it? You like the snow? You like it? Look, a lot of snow. Yeah. There's a lot of snow. So we don't have that much of snow. Ano lang 1 inch siguro. So punta ko ngayon ng store. Kasi, gusto kong bumili ng pork for sinigang. Kasi nagki-crave ako ng sinigang. Lalo na sa weather natin na malamig. So, safe naman mag-drive. Kasi, hindi naman marami yung snow. Yesterday, we went to store. But, nakalimutan kong bumili ng pork. Naalala ko nakauwi na ako ng bahay. Naiinis mo pa mga lods. So mga lods, kakalabas ko lang galing sa store. Ang lamig. Ang mahal na mga bilihin ngayon. Balik na ako sa uwi na ako ng bahay kasi mag-aalas stress na. Kailangan kong lutuin yung soup ko for supper. So mga lods, kakatapos pa lang ng snow. So ito-check namin ni Mango yung paligid kung marami bang yung snow. Tingnan niyo, ang lalamig. Nakabukod si Mango. Yan. Look. Look at that. Oh my God. It's still snowing a little bit. Yeah. Check the chickens. OMG. Tingnan niyo mga lods. Kunti lang yung snow. Pero, ang lamig. Tingnan nyo. Look at my garden. It's about time to clean our garden, Mango. Look at that. Ang daming snow dito. See? Oh, Lord. Look at the snow. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ito lang yung snow na nakuha namin. Sabi nila 1 inch daw. You think it's... I think so. It's 1 inch. Mango, stop. Yeah. Ang cute na. Not much of snow. Oh God. My God, it's cold. Are you cold? Oh. Ang hangin, malamig. Sobra. Let's go back inside now. Let's go back inside. Oh. Whew. Nabasa na yung ano ko. Yung shoes. Malamig. Let's go back inside. Come on. Whew. Whew. Yan. Looks so cute. It's cute. Oh gosh. I'm freezing. Oh Lord. It feels good inside, right? It feels good inside. Oh! So mga Lords, kakabalik ko palang galing sa store. Nilabas ko si Mango saglit kasi para naman makakita siya ng snow. So this is probably our last snow this year. Kasi mag-i-spring na in few weeks. Yan, so so far naman kahit kunti lang yung snow, pero okay na rin yun kasi nag-expect kami ng 6 to 7 inches snow. Pero yung nakuha namin is 1 inches lang ata. Pero okay na rin yun kasi kapag maraming snow, so I don't know kung safe ba na magpunta sa work. Kasi in few days, balik na kami sa trabaho. Yan, so okay na rin yun. You wanna see the snow? You okay? It's still snowing. Oh my God! Look at the beautiful snow. Oh my God. Yan, ang dami nito. Ituin ko na lahat para wala nang problema.